Can't access your TikTok account? Here's how to fix it. Launch your TikTok app. You'll land to the homepage. Now navigate to the profile page given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, click on the option of login. Now you're gonna get different options to which you can get access to your TikTok account. You can click on the very first one option, use phone, email or username. Now select whether you wanna use phone number or email address to get access to your account. I'm gonna select email address. After you type in your email address, click on the option of continue. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered, so close this and check your mail. So you can see that TikTok has sent me the mail. You'll also receive similar kind of mail. Open it. So here is the code. You can copy this code. This code is valid for 20 minutes. Now I can type in that code over here. And just for that, you will be logged into your account without needing the password. If you haven't linked your email to the TikTok, you can use the phone number as well. So that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily get access to your TikTok account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.